Without wasting our time, let's quickly look at this mathematics question. This question looks simple, but it's so tricky. Whenever you are given this type of nested radical equation and you are asked to solve for the value of x, you need to be very careful in solving this. Now, how can we solve this to have a correct answer? Follow me. Now, we have to solve for the value of x. Root 2x plus 1 plus root x plus 1 equal to 1. Now, we are solving for the value of x. How can we do that? Follow me. So, we have square root of 2x plus 1 plus square root of x plus 1 equal to 1. Now, let's move one of these radical expression to the right hand side. Let's move this root x plus 1 to the right hand side so that we can have it as root 2x plus 1 equal to 1. If this one comes, it becomes minus root x plus 1. Now, we have roots. The only way to cancel root is that we introduce square to both sides. Now, square both sides of the equation. Now, if you square both sides, this one will become square root of 2x plus 1 all as a square equal to open bracket 1 minus square root of x plus 1 all square. Now, this square will cancel this square root. So, we have it as 2x plus 1 equal to, now, this one, the expansion of 1 minus square root of x plus 1. Now, don't forget that when we have a minus b all square, the expansion will be what? That will be a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the expansion of this. Now, we are going to use this method to expand this. Now, this is our a now. This root x plus 1 will be our b. Now, let's now substitute a square, that's 1 square. We have it as 1 minus 2 times ab, 2 times ab, 2 times a, that's 2 times 1 times this. So 2 times 1 is 2. 2 times root x plus 1. So we have it as 2 times root x plus 1. We are done with this one. Plus b square. B square, we have it as root x plus 1. Root x plus 1 square. This square will cancel square root. So we are left with plus x plus 1. I hope it's clear. Now, let's continue. We have it as 2x plus 1 equal to, now, 1 plus 1 here, that's 2. That's 2 plus x minus 2 root x plus 1. Now, we have square root also. We can still square both sides, but let's collect the like term so that we have this one as 2x. If this x comes there, that will be minus x plus 1. If this 2 comes here, that's minus 2 equal to minus 2 root x plus 1. Now, 2x minus x, that's x, plus 1 minus 2, that's minus 1, equal to minus 2 times root x plus 1. Now, to cancel this square root, we introduce square to both sides. Now, square both sides again. Square both sides again. So if you square both sides, this one will become x minus 1 all square equal to minus 2 root x plus 1 all square. I hope it's clear. Now, we have this one. Expansion of x minus 1 square. We have it as x square minus 2x. That will be plus 1 equal to. Now, this one minus 2 square. We have it as 4. Square will cancel square root here. That will be 4 into bracket x plus 1. I hope it's clear. Now, we have it as x squared minus 2x plus 1 equal to, let's expand this. 4 times x, that's 4x. 4 times 1, that's plus 4. Now, collect the like terms. We have it as x squared minus 2x minus 4x plus 1. If this plus 4 comes, it becomes minus 4. That will be equal to 0. Now, we have x squared minus 2x minus 4x, that's minus 6x, plus 1 minus 4, that's minus 3, equal to 0. Now, we have the quadratic equation for this particular question. Now, we can use the three methods to solve it. Either we use factorization method, general formula, and we can still use completing the square method. Now, let me use general formula to solve this. We have it as x squared minus 6x minus 3 equal to 0. Now, this is the general formula: minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all divided by what? 2a. Now, our value of a, if you compare this equation, this quadratic equation with general form of quadratic equation, ax squared plus bx plus c equal to 0. Now, the value of a here will be 1. So, our a here will be 1. B here will be what? That will be minus 6. The constant will be what? Minus 3. Now, let's make the substitution. B now, we have it as minus 6. Minus times minus 6 plus or minus square root of b square, that's minus 6 square minus 4 times a times 1 times c, which is times minus 3, all divided by 2 times a, which is 2 times 1. I hope it's clear. Now, minus times minus, we have it as s is equal to plus 6 plus or minus square root of minus 6 square, that's 36, minus 4 times minus 3, that will be plus 12, all divided by 2 times 1, that's 2. So x will now be equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 36 plus 12, that will be 48 divided by 2. So x will now be equal to 6 plus or minus. Now in short form, 48, we can express 48 as 2, that's 2, 24, 2 again, 12, 2 again, 6, 3, that's 2, that's 2, that's 1. So we can have it as 2 times 2, 4, 4 times 2, 8, 8 times 2, that will be 16. That's 16 times 3 will give us 48, all divided by 2. So x will now be equal to 6 plus or minus square root of 16. We have it as a perfect square of 4. That's 4 root 3, all divided by 2. Now x will now be equal to 6 plus 4 root 3 divided by 2, or 6 minus 4 root 3 all divided by 2. So this is our final answer for the value of x. Please don't forget to follow, share and like so that others can benefit. Thanks.